Hey everyone, little thing that's a bit different for you today. As you can see, we're not at our usual station. We're actually over at John's. We've come over for a weekend, just get away after the wedding, and just to have a look at what he's done. You know, this side is finished now, and the extension that we've already touched on. So further in this, Rob's gonna talk about John's extension, what's going on with that. No plans are set in stone, just like us. And then, as an unexpected treat, we didn't even realise until today, one of John's friends, Trevor, has a Z gauge layout. So we've also taken some footage of that we're going to share with you all. And we will catch you on with these two different parts. See you in a bit, guys.
Right, so as Grace has said, we've got an update on John's N-gauge layout. The detail that he's put into this town is just amazing. The electrics, the actual layout, the design of it, all literally from scratch, from the ground up. All the buildings, all the lighting, everything is just absolutely incredible. The detail, you keep looking and you just keep on seeing things everywhere. It is absolutely gorgeous. And at night, when he's got everything lit up, it's even more beautiful. John's been my inspiration on my layout and a good guidance for both of us. Anyway, I'll be quiet for now so you can just sit and enjoy this, and then we'll show you the rest. Here's the big reveal. Another 8 foot on top of the 5 foot, giving John 13 feet of N-gauge layout. He's already got the tracks laid down, a few of the buildings in roughly the sort of areas that he wants. You can see a tunnel being created at the far end. The central piece, he wants to create like a village area, a shop, a school, a pub, things like that, but keep it very rural. He's done enough now with the industrial and the town side of things. He's really concentrating on making a countryside scene, with all the trains coming out of the town into the countryside. And you can just see it there, the sheer length of this is just enormous on N-gauge. Going from the original town, coming back out into this. And just zooming into that now, you can see the distance. The track gives you a good idea of where the tracks are going. Anyway, I'll be quiet, and again, I'll let you just enjoy this because I don't want to spoil it.
Here we are, moving on to Trevor's Z gauge. This is incredible. When he brought it round, we just couldn't believe it, especially when you compare it to 00 gauge. My finger here just shows the size difference. It's just incredible, and that's just a nail. So Z scale is 1/220. It's phenomenal though, the detail that he's put into it. The items that he's used is mainly cardboard, polystyrene, and a few 3D printed items. Being that short, that small, I'm sure you can imagine how difficult it is. But even bits off a hearing aid, those little white tops at the poles, and then moving on to, he's got a quarry and even a little campers at the top of the green. It's just a very impressive scene. We couldn't see the loco running. He just needs to give it a clean. So hopefully the next time we see it with more done to it, it will be there. So thanks for everyone tuning in this episode. It's lovely to see other modellers and how they're going on. And if anybody has any Z gauge items, if you can let us know, he's looking cars, people, just let us know, guys. Thanks again, and we'll see you later on in the week.